Tesla models 2024. What's new and exciting? Tesla, the world's leading electric car maker, has unveiled its latest updates for the Model 3 and Model S for the 2024 model year. The Model 3, Tesla's most popular and affordable sedan, receives a major facelift with a new design, improved range, and new features. The Model S, Tesla's flagship hatchback, gets a minor refresh with some tweaks and enhancements. Here are the highlights of the 2024 Tesla models. Model 3 Highland. The Model 3, codenamed Highland, gets its first refresh since its launch in 2017. The new Model 3 has a sleeker and more aerodynamic look, with new horizontal headlamps that resemble those of the Model S in the next-gen Roadster. The front bumper is simpler and more conventional, and the fog lights are skipped for a cleaner appearance. The side profile features elongated cutouts for the autopilot cameras, and the rear end has a new C-shaped taillights that make the car look sportier. The new Model 3 also offers new alloy wheels and tires for improved range and reduced driving noise. The base option is the 18-inch Photon wheels, which have a closed design that restricts airflow and minimizes drag. The second option is the 19-inch Nova wheels, which have a more conventional double-spoke design. The new Model 3 also has a new color option called Highland Green, which is a dark metallic green that matches the code name of the car. The interior of the new Model 3 is largely unchanged, except for some minor updates. The steering wheel is now heated, and the center console has a new matte black finish with wireless charging pads for 2 smartphones. The glove box can now be opened with a voice command, and the sun visors have magnets to keep them in place. The new Model 3 also has a new sound system with 14 speakers, a subwoofer, and 2 amplifiers. The sound quality is said to be comparable to that of a premium home theater system. The performance and range of the new Model 3 are also improved thanks to a new battery pack and a more efficient powertrain. The new Model 3 has a WLTP range of 678 kilometers, which is an increase of 10% from the previous model. The new Model 3 can also accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.1 seconds, which is 0.1 seconds faster than before. The top speed, however, is limited to 200 kilometers per hour, which is lower than the previous model's 261 kilometers per hour. The new Model 3 is expected to launch in the US before the end of 2023, with deliveries starting in early 2024. The prices are not yet announced, but they are likely to be similar to the current model, which starts from $39,990 for the standard range plus variant and goes up to $54,990 for the performance variant. Model S. The Model S, Tesla's flagship hatchback, gets a minor refresh for the 2024 model year. The exterior changes are subtle and include a new front fascia with a revised grille and air intake, new LED daytime running lights, and new 21-inch arachnid wheels. The interior changes are more noticeable and include a new 17-inch horizontal touchscreen that replaces the old 17-inch vertical touchscreen, a new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a new steering yoke that replaces the traditional steering wheel. The new Model S also has a new glass roof that provides a panoramic view of the sky. The performance and range of the new Model S are also enhanced thanks to a new tri-motor plate powertrain that delivers a whopping 1,020 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque. The new Model S can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 1.99 seconds, making it the fastest production car ever made. The top speed is 320 kilometers per hour, which is higher than the previous model's 250 kilometers per hour. The new Model S also has a WLTP range of up to 837 kilometers, which is an increase of 12% from the previous model. The new Model S is already available for order in the US, with delivery starting soon. The prices range from $79,990 for the long-range variant and go up to $129,990 for the Plaid variant. There's also a Plaid Plus variant, which is expected to offer a range of over 1,000 kilometers and a 0 to 100 km per hour time of less than 1.99 seconds, but it is delayed until mid-2024.